one I have, right? So after you brainstorm, now you narrow the ideas down. Narrow the ideas down. This is what you want to do. This is how you're going to do it. This is how much it's going to cost. Okay? This is the way. Do you need to get people? Do you need to get a team? Just like Facebook. Remember Facebook? This, God, Lord have mercy. This
aging
dude,
ourselves here.
huh?
I said we're aging ourselves here. Well, don't worry. You still a young one. You still in your 20s, man. Don't even worry about that, bro. You don't know what.
Hey,
Just keep
going. Let's just keep going real quick.
The guy who founded Facebook, I think he was able to get ideas from here, to put together to come up with Facebook. And I think, do you think he took Facebook from them guys? He stole it.
Well, again, when we're looking at narrowing down ideas, right?
Correct.
So I'll use my example as myself as that example. Remember when I told you initially, I was like, yo, I'm not carrying around all these big ass applications. I'm just going to download it as a PDF and then I can type in your information. Well, that idea lived on, right? That idea lived on so much so that now in my industry, or now when you want to invest money, you don't have to physically be there with your stockbroker. You can I'll send you an email and you can sign
review it.
Yep, you review it and you click the button and boom, now you just sent me $1 million to invest and you didn't even have to see my face. I'm halfway across the country. So that idea literally kept going. But initially, when I came up with that idea, the dinosaurs were like, you're stupid, that's not good. And as time went, it narrowed down. Now, initially, it was stupid because I had to print it out, but the technology wasn't there at the time. But as people kept seeing it and they started saying, hey, you know what would be an ideal? If there's something that won't let you close out the document until you sign every spot. And then if there's something that just lets you click to sign. So they kept coming with these broad ideas and they narrowed it down and narrowed it down and narrowed it down until it became DocuSign. Right? Because initially it was just I had a PDF and I had to print and then still had you sign it. But at least I know I didn't miss anything.